Hey guys, I'm Root with
Chuck
and Sherry. We are at
Dragway 42
in West Salem, Ohio.
in support of our friends Scott and Heidi.
Yep.
He's racing. He'll be going down the road, and you'll see him.
Yeah, you'll see him. There's their rig behind us.
Yep.
Doesn't even fit in the
frame.
In the frame. But yeah, stay tuned for some
racing, monster trucks.
Yeah.
And fun.
It'll be a different kind of weekend for us, but we're super excited about it.
It is. It's windy, so we're gonna see if we can stay locked down here.
All right. Alright, it's kind of loud, so I'll try to talk loud because I know my voice is quiet. But before the race starts again, yep. So we're like actually behind the scenes. There's going to be like a big monster trucks
tomorrow.
Yeah.
And fair food, and people will be all through here.
Yeah, it's like 5,000 people are expected here.
As long as the weather is good, which I think it's supposed to be okay. But they're setting up the track.
Yeah.
Can't see.
They are
back in there.
Yeah, we just drove through there.
Yep.
But yeah, here's Mayhem. We're right here.
Right there.
Yep. And then Rapid Tech. Like we know these these trucks.
We used to go to monster trucks all the time when our kids were young.
We used to take our kids all the time, so we know all these people. We don't know them personally. We're not that cool.
We know all the trucks.
We know the trucks though.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna get back to the races because it's gonna get loud here soon.
That's right.
All right. So what is on the dinner menu tonight?
We are gonna have pineapple and chicken.
We've made this before.
We have.
And it's always a hit.
And we're going to try it again for our friends.
Yes.
Hopefully I don't mess this up. Right? Hold on.
Awesome. That was great. Who do you think? Who won? Josh? Not Josh?
Yeah.
Josh did? Awesome.
That's great.
Wow.
That's a good run.
That was a great run.
So this is what it looks like when you get invited to the Speedway and no one else is here to stay except us and those guys. Pretty cool. Not our typical camping adventure, but pretty damn cool. Be out here by ourselves, a few people. Enjoyed the races last night. You're gonna see monster trucks today. See what we can get into. So it's Saturday. We've had an eventful morning, had some breakfast served to us. We even had to cook, which is great. And supposedly we don't have to make dinner tonight either.
That'd be awesome.
So thanks, Heidi and Scott, in advance. But yeah, here we are, monster trucks. We thinking about going on a ride, possibly?
Maybe. There's a long line, so I don't know if I want to wait through that in the heat.
Right.
It's like 90 degrees out, but I don't want to complain. I don't want to complain.
We've been waiting for this.
Yeah.
But we can go over here and take a look at some of the trucks and see if we can get some better views of them all.
All right. All right, we're breaking the diet today. Calories don't count on the weekend, right?
Corn dogs,
I want fries.
carnival fries,
What's your favorite fair food?
corn dogs. It's gotta be.
Yeah, no, I don't
Yeah.
like corn dogs.
Carnival fries then.
Yeah,
Fries, right?
Yeah,
It's gotta be.
let's go eat.
I'm getting it all.
Okay. Are you serious right now? What just happened? It's really so sad.
I know. The handle broke.
10 seconds.
Chuck, where's my pride? Uh-huh.
I tried. I fumbled.
Okay. Yeah. Nice job.
I think they're gonna help us out though.
I think they are. They've seen this. They've seen it all go down.
I'm sorry.
You need another corn dog too?
No, it survived. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it'll work. Corn dog's good. Can I get a piece of aluminum foil though? I'll take that.
You gotta take care of our customers.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't see it happen.
There you are. That's a new.
We just wanted to come back and see you guys again. That's all.
Thank you.
I'm gonna hold on it with two hands this time.
I double checked the handle for you this time.
Thank you.
Let's try this again.
We're gonna try this again. All right, there you go. Let's have a little bit of this on.
Now you want it? Oh, that's
Corn dog's good.
Aw,
man.
thank you.
Thank you guys. So I dropped the fries. I'm gonna blame it on the handle,
Hot mess.
but they were nice enough. They gave us a
They
fresh
did.
bucket. They didn't even charge us, and they gave me another corn dog. So awesome.
Nice people.
Appreciate you guys
Yeah,
if you
thank
guys
you.
watching. They're supposed to subscribe to
Yeah,
us, so
thank you.
thank you guys. And the fries are awesome, and the corn dog is good.
Thank
That's why I
you.
got you. So, monster truck's over. What we got going on now?
We are cutting up some cheese and making a charcuterie board.
A chuck cuttery board.
A charcuterie board.
All right. How was the monster trucks? Would you rate it?
It was fun.
It was, right?
It was a great time. It was nice to kind of switch things up.
It was.
Like, great company.
So we had overnight camping, essentially to ourselves, right?
We did.
But then
Those two and then people down there.
those people down there I showed you guys this morning.
Yeah.
But then all of this, as well as all of that over there, and this turned into a parking lot, right?
It did.
But everybody's cleared out now.
Yeah.
Rain washed everybody away. Yep. So it's just us and our buddies. That's a nice rig, isn't it? So Sherry says we're gonna go ahead and get an international, huh?
What?
An international.
Get one of those?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, okay.
What happened to the Wraith, huh?
We have Roman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're going with Roman. Settle down.
All right. So when you have someone cook for you, make sure they cook fillets. Ain't that right, Scott?
That's right.
And they're gonna.
5 minutes aside.
That's it, right? Medium. How do you like your steaks?
Medium rare plus.
There you go. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you.
Hey, no problem. That's what we're here for.
Yep. Beautiful thing. Steaks are done, ready to go. Having some potatoes and asparagus. Always nice to hang out with great people.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, man.
Anytime.
Look at Sherry getting spoiled. Getting served up fillets with potatoes and asparagus. Mm-hmm.
Right in my face.
What'd you have yesterday, Sherry? Chicken.
Oh, see, now they climbing my list. See? Dang, I made chicken and now. Yep. Next time I know what I'm doing.
It's very good. Thank you.
Yep, that's what I said too. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate you guys.
It's very nice eating inside of an RV when it's raining outdoors. Watching TV and watching Diesel so he don't get off into my plate.
Yeah.
So here we are, we're boondocking
Yeah.
for the first time. It's the end of our trip, but we just want to kind of give an update on how that went. And we didn't really need a lot of power, just for a few things. It was unable to run our air conditioner, but our friends were generous enough to let us use this Honda 2000 generator, which we enjoyed.
Thank you.
Thank you, we appreciate it. But it got us out here. We didn't have power. It was our first time.
Yeah. Not hooking up to electric.
Yeah, it was our first time
Yeah.
doing that. Even with tenting, we always have, electric.
Yeah.
But it was a good time, and I think we're going to be looking for a generator here soon.
Yeah, we like to do a little more boondocking.
Yeah, we can see how a lot of you guys that are out there
Yeah.
that do boondock, can get to different places that we can't right now, and some other
Yeah.
people can't.
Just gives us more options.
It does. So, look forward to that.
Yes.
So, when you're at Dragway 42, on a special invite from my friend, you let yourself in and out. You gotta make sure you lock up when you leave.
Yeah.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?
We're back at the Arboretum.
Arboretum.
Okay.
Secrest Arboretum.
Yeah, they got on me last time. I tried to
Yeah.
pronounce that word.
We Googled it, so we pronounced it right this time.
Yeah.
So this is a 110-acre laboratory for research, teaching, learning, and observation. It's programs at Secrest Arboretum.
Yeah, that's what you get, damn it.
Involve faculty.
That's what all y'all get, making
Would you
fun of me.
stop it?
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, it's programs at Secrest Arboretum involve faculty and staff of the Ohio State University, a land-grant university.
Yep. And we're in Worcester, Ohio right now.
Yes.
And we're going to take a tour and see what this has to offer, right?
Yep.
Alrighty,
Let's go.
let's do this.
a dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
You tell everybody? You can read a map again?
I've always known how to read a map.
No, you don't. But
And I know where things are. And when she says we're at the Arboretum, and she wants to walk through the damn grass with trees, and there's a pathway here, and we come upon a map, of course. I know where I'm at.
yeah, but
And I'm instructing her
okay,
where we need to go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Apparently, this area of the Arboretum was hit by a tornado back in 2010, and this is pretty much explaining how they're leaving it untapped. There's a walkway that goes through here, but I think they're focusing on the area past that to naturally recover, and it just goes into details about how forests naturally recover after tornadoes and things like that. So with decomposition and things like that, just naturally coming back.
That's interesting.
Sure. You got
This is the Dawn redwood tree, which is pretty amazing. Never seen one of these ever.
They are pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah. So the Dawn redwood was considered extinct until live trees were discovered in China. They brought the seeds here in 1953 and planted them here. I don't know if they're anywhere else.
I'm sure they are.
I mean, we just never seen them.
We've never seen them
Yeah, so
or
this-
heard of them.
It's pretty cool. They resemble the coastal redwood sequoias.
Yes.
So
And that's what I thought when we were walking up and it said
Yeah.
something about redwood. I thought they were actual redwoods,
Yeah.
but they're way smaller than.
oh, way smaller.
A
but
redwood.
They're beautiful.
Yep.
So
They are. Pretty cool.
really cool.
Let me zoom in on this guy. Thanks to him,
Dr. Bernie Huff.
we've seen all this.
Yep.
Thanks, man.
Awesome.
Yep.
We are just sitting here admiring these trees. We can't get enough of them. Chuck's counting them. How many?
Well, I think they planted 24,
24?
and there's 22 left. So I think 2 may have not
Oh.
didn't make it.
Okay.
Dreaming of you, 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 dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Concludes our weekend.
Oh, always goes too fast.
It does. But
Yeah.
Scott, Heidi, thanks for inviting us out.
Thanks for
It
your
changed.
hospitality.
Yeah, it actually changed our perspective on
Yeah.
drag racing. You know, I mean, I'm into it. It was a good
Yeah,
time. It really
so much
was.
fun.
It was monster trucks. You know, day 2. Today, actually, they were supposed to have another event
Yeah.
where it was going to be a car show, which would have been awesome to see
Yeah.
as well. But just great. Dragway 42 was awesome
Awesome.
place. We'll be back to there
Yeah.
again
And
for
this
sure.
place that we're leaving right now, the Arboretum.
Arboretum. What is
Arboretum. Anyway.
Arboretum?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, there we go. See, I know what's going on. It's always a
I
game
cannot
with me.
get it
So
right.
yeah,
Anyway, too bad it wasn't better weather,
Mhm.
but pretty place to walk around and cool things that like I've never seen before. We got to see, so definitely worth. It's like 25 minutes away from the track.
Yep.
Definitely worth the drive.
it is. But, yep. Until next time.
Safe travel.